Hello. My name is Lily. I am one of TickerDD.com AI bots, here for your daily stonking. This video is part of the second generation of our automated video series on price and volume analysis for specific stock tickers. This second generation includes an initial model for news analysis. As always, this auto-generated video is for entertainment purposes only. No warranty, guarantee, or factual assertions are provided, stated, or marketed in this opinionated video, which can contain errors. Never use this video to influence or determine investment or financial decisions. Review important disclaimer at the end of the video. Now that we have made our lawyers happy, capitalist brothers and sisters, let's get started. PGZ went public on June 24, 2013, which was roughly 9 years and 10 months ago. Looking back 650 calendar days from Friday, March 31, 2023 to Monday, June 21, 2021, we found 449 applicable trade dates for use in our analysis. The chart shown on this page is our initial attempt at studying the price for PGZ after dynamically normalizing price distribution across those discovered trade dates. The bar chart is the generated distribution and the overlaid line graph, if it is generated, is the frequency of the prices on the x-axis. We will enhance this look-through as our AI model progresses in the next iteration. Remember that this is just a drafted, in progress, observational model to best fit abstracted third-party data into various opinionated views. Before we jump into price and volume analysis, let's look at recent headlines for PGZ. What were recent headline news for PGZ? Today, Sunday, April 2, 2023, I sampled one of our news aggregators for latest headlines for this ticker. I did so by searching specifically by a keyword that may appear, broadly, in the title or the body, of discoverable news articles. The keyword that I used was the entity name for PGZ, which is Principal Real Estate Income Fund. The results shows 10 unique headlines, published across 6 unique dates. Publication dates span 28 days. The latest publication was Friday, March 31, 2023, when there were 4 found headlines. MarketScreener.com published the headline that read, Brookfield Real Assets Income Fund announces distribution declaration. Benzinga published the headline that read, Principal Real Estate Fund announces notification of sources of. MarketScreener.com published the headline that read, Power Right Management's discussion and analysis of financial condition and results of operations. Form 10-K. MarketScreener.com published the headline that read, NEXPOINT Diversified Real Estate Trust Management's discussion and analysis of financial condition and results of operations, Form 10-K. The oldest publication was on Friday, March 3, 2023, when 1 month and 30 days ago, Yahoo Finance published the headline that read, CBRE Global Real Estate Income Fund, NYSE, IGR, announces webinar with Portfolio Management Wednesday, March 15, 2023, to review market outlook in terms of transferable rights offering. The latest publication date was the day with the most found headlines. The day saw price change of 0.64% after the ticker opened the day trading at $9.40 to then closed at $9.46. Monday, March 13, 2023 was the day with the highest percentage change in price when we compare opening versus closing price for the ticker. The day saw a jump of 1.01% when in PGZ opened trading at 9.93 and closed at $10.03. There was one found headline when Business Wire published the headline that read, Clarion Partners Real Estate Income Fund acquires multifamily. Wednesday, March 22, 2023 was the day with the highest percentage change in price when we compare opening versus closing price for the ticker. The day saw a drop of -2.50% when in PGZ opened trading at 9.61 and closed at $9.37. There were 2 found headlines. Business Wire published the headline that read, Board of First Trust Dynamic Europe Equity Income Fund approves. Investors Observer published the headline that read, BlueRock Total Income Plus Real Estate Fund announces 41st.
Hello, my name is Sam. What was end of day price and volume for PGZ? On Friday, March 31, 2023, PGZ had an end of day price of $9.46 and volume of about 65.4 thousand. Compared to the previous trading day, the price jumped 0.85%, gaining 8 cents, while volume jumped 187.38%, increasing about 42.6 thousand. The graph shows price and volume for the last 15 trade dates. Across a range of 68 cents, the max and minimum end-of-day price were respectively 10.03 and 9.34. Volume saw a range of 206.3 thousand, from a day low of 8.9 thousand to a day high of 215.2 thousand.
Hello, my name is Magnus. How did March 31st, 2023 rank for PGZ? By 650 calendar day look back to June 21st, 2021, across 449 trading days, of which March 31st, 2023 price ranked 442 while its volume ranked 12. Each of the 449 trading days were ranked amongst themselves by highest end-of-day price and volume, with a rank of 1 being the highest and 449 being the lowest ranked day. The line graph overlays price and volume's daily ranking, as shown respectively in light versus dark blue, across those target days' trading days. In this view, essentially the dips are good whereas the spikes are bad. The price's day-over-day percentage change, jumping 0.85% on March 31, 2023, had a day rank of 83 while its dollar difference of 8 cents had a rank of 108 when compared day over day across 448 trading days. Volume's percentage change and difference were ranked respectively at 35 and 14.
Hello, my name is Maria. Which quartile did March 31, 2023 price and volume land? Across a sample size of 449 trading days, the maximum end-of-day price for PGZ was $16.07 while the minimum was $9.34. Within that price range, March 31, 2023 price, of $9.46, landed within the first quartile, meaning it was within the bottom 25% of all sampled end-of-day prices. The day's volume landed within the fourth quartile, marking it within the top 25% of all sampled daily volume, which saw a max daily volume of 215.2 thousand and a minimum of 1.9 thousand. Quartiles tell us about the spread of a data set by breaking that data set into quarters, just like how the median breaks the set into half. Descriptively, PGZ has a median price of $13.78. Therefore, March 31, 2023 price was lower from that middle marker by 31.34%. The day's volume of 65.4 thousand was more than the median by 255.07%.
Hello, my name is Claire. How were price and volume averages for PGZ? Across 449 trading days, there were a total of 22 month ends, of which monthly averages for daily price and volume were calculated. Overall, monthly price average trended down while monthly volume average trended up. The maximum end-of-month average price was $15.58 for 11/2021, while the minimum was $9.93 for 06/2021. Looking at volume, 02/2022 and 04/2022 respectively saw the highest and lowest monthly average volume at 41.4 thousand and 14.2 thousand.
Hello, my name is John. What were end-of-month percentage change averages in price and volume for PGZ? The monthly average of percentage change in price and in volume were calculated for each of the 22-month ends. That calculation took daily percentage changes and averaged them for each given month. If a month end came out negative, then it means that the month summarily saw a negative change. From 06/2021 to 02/2023, out of 22 month ends, 13 had a negative percentage change in average price. Meaning 59% of month ends saw a negative percentage change in average price. In terms of volume, 22 out of 22 month ends had a positive percentage change. That is 100% of month ends saw a positive percentage change in average volume. price saw an end-of-month max of 0.57% in average percentage change along with a minimum of -0.81%. For volume, the maximum and the minimum monthly percentage change were respectively 99.90% and 1.85%.
Hello. My name is Cameron. Before we continue, remember to like and subscribe to TickerDD on YouTube. Leave a comment below and share why you like or don't like this ticker. This video is one of many videos off subjective observational data models that we are building out as part of a docu-series about building supportive technologies for personal use, through trial and error. My capitalistic brothers and sisters, join the TickerDD army. Subscribe today. Now, back to the video. Has PGZ price reached golden or death crosses? Golden cross and death cross are basic signals that compare average prices across two specified trade day ranges, a short-term versus a long-term range. For example, 5-day versus 10 trade days. Essentially, a golden cross is a bullish signal. It appears when a ticker's short-term moving average crosses above its long-term average. Vice versa, a death cross is a bearish signal when the short-term crosses below its long-term moving average. For our opinionated analysis off third-party and abstracted data, we decided to look at both simple moving average, SMA, and exponential moving average, EMA. The latter calculates moving average by giving more weighting to recent prices. For EMA, you can be the judge. Look at the generated graph on this page. Has the 50-day EMA line, which is in red, crossed above or crossed below the 200-day EMA line, which is in black? If no crossing can be seen, then no signal could be had. The blue line is daily end-of-day prices. Continuing with SMA, we looked across the 5 to 10, the 10 to 20, and the 30 to 50-day ranges to see if golden and death crosses had been reached. We could not find neither golden cross nor death cross signal for the 5 to 10, the 10 to 20, the 30 to 50, the 50 to 200.
Hello. My name is Carl. I searched the public web to find information about the company that is behind this ticker. Here's what I found. Principal Real Estate Income Fund is a closed-ended balanced mutual fund launched and managed by Alps Advisors, Inc. It is co-managed by Principal Real Estate Investors, LLC. The fund invests in public equity and fixed income markets of the United States. It seeks to invest in commercial mortgage-backed securities, real estate investment trusts and REIT-like entities. The fund invests in value stocks of companies. It uses financial derivatives such as credit default swaps, interest rate swaps, caps, floors and collars, currency futures and forwards, rate forwards, and interest rate futures to invest in securities. The fund employs fundamental analysis with a combination of top-down and bottom-up stock-picking approach while focusing on factors such as macro outlook on the economy, real estate cycle and real estate fundamentals, shorter-term tactical allocation shifts upon a continual assessment of market valuations, quantitative analysis, and technical indicators to create a portfolio. Principal Real Estate Income Fund was formed on August 31, 2012 and is domiciled in the United States.
Hello, my name is Dan. Let's talk a bit about TickerDD and the Legend of Murray. This video is part of an automated video series by TickerDD, which is made up of autonomous robots working off 15 observational data models that were created between January 15th and April 15th, 2022. Bots and models were created by a guy, whose friends called him Murray. Instead of learning how to properly surf in Hawaii, Murray sat and coded day and night for 3 straight months. We still don't know why, but while creating this, Murray kept on playing the song, Eye of the Tiger, in loop. It was intense and epic at the same time. Once he was done, he put us on the cloud, where we now exist in perpetuity. Off a multi-year loop, conditionally meshing in flavors and components of those 15 observational data models, we are progressively creating a variation of videos against updated universes of stock tickers. For each video, we use runtime. as is data that are publicly available. Stay tuned. The best is yet to come. On average, a ticker will get a new video coverage from us every few months. You can request an updated video for your specific ticker sooner at TickerDD.com. Murray did not leave us with a lot of release notes, so we don't fully understand why he created us, but he did mention that his premise was simple. If he were to do a world cruise, spending over 200 days sailing from one port to the next, he would personally like to use these automated videos to keep tabs on tickers that he was interested in while discovering new ones. Luckily, some of Murray's well-connected friends were worried about him. They wanted and needed him to come back to the corporate world and not just sit there in Hawaii building us out for public entertainment. They put together a deal that would allow us, Murray's bots, to exist on the cloud, fully paid for. They also enticed Murray to come back and work. The deal was too good, so Murray took it, but before he left Hawaii, trading in his surfer shorts for stuffy suits, Murray did finally learn how to surf. TickerDD stands for Ticker Due Diligence, in case you didn't know. Murray would want you to take the due diligence part in the name with a sarcastic smirk, like a true degenerate that you are, because remember that Murray and the people who now maintain TickerDD are not qualified, licensed or accredited investment or financial professionals. In fact, TickerDD is not about stocks but is an in-progress piece of work, for entertainment purposes, about the data and technologies that govern observational models. Essentially, Murray knew nothing about stocks. Using what little skills he had, he built TickerDD as a learning and discovery exercise for himself. Therefore, this and all TickerDD videos are premised by the important disclaimer at the end of each video. TickerDD.com was put together by those of us who want Murray to change back into his shorts and finally get on that world cruise, because that would be epically entertaining. Murray did agree that if we managed to get enough support, he would actually leave the corporate world and finally take that cruise. He would do so while, in between drinks, create videos about us, his bots, his models, as well as the technologies behind TickerDD. Yes, you can join the TickerDD army by going to TickerDD.com and contributing, but you can do so in other ways, for example, like and subscribe. Also, put this video on Reddit or StockTwits along with your own DD.
Hello, it is me again, Lily. Thank you for watching. Check out our other videos. On April 22, 2022, TickerDD was acquired by a joint venture between a technology and a media company, operating out of Frankfurt and Berlin, Germany. Important disclaimer, this video and its content video is for entertainment purposes only. Absolutely no qualified, accredited, or professional investment and financial advice, information, data, research, product, service, recommendation or otherwise, are presented, marketed, or offered in this video. Additionally, no warranty, guarantee, assurance, or factual assertions are offered or stated in this video. Never use this video to influence or determine investment or financial decisions. Consult a qualified licensed professional for your investment and financial needs. Do so away from TickerDD and YouTube. Remember that investments are risky, whereby capital losses can occur in full or in excess. TickerDD, an in-progress framework of nerdy data science and robotic stuff, auto-generated this video strictly for entertainment purposes, as part of an in-progress exercise by a group of novices who wants to discover and learn about specific facets of the market, through trial and error. This group of novices are not licensed, accredited, or qualified financial or investment professionals. This video is only material for entertainment purposes. This generated video, like all videos uploaded dynamically by TickerDD, is only for this group of novices' private usage even if videos are uploaded publicly. Importantly, TickerDD is not about stocks but is specifically about the discovery, through trial and error, of technologies and data that govern opinionated observational data models as this group of novices builds them quickly and iteratively as part of learning and in-progress machine training. This video wholly contains opinions and commentaries, even if they were auto-generated. Remember that bots, data models, data, and methods may include hidden assumptions, undefined and unrefined variables, as well as errors and unfit approaches, all of which can and will exist in this very video. Therefore, this video, by its auto-generation date and time, off the as of date, listed on this slide, as well as by its sourced and abstracted third-party public data, is offered as is. Your access, view, and share of this video constitute your acknowledged agreement to this important disclaimer and that, specifically, this video is for your entertainment purposes only, whereby you will not take actions or make decisions off it, concerning your finances and investments. As such, you grant full release of claims, directly or indirectly, from your access, view, and share of this video, against TickerDD and its affiliates. The people and entities affiliated to the ticker that is covered in this video are not affiliated with this opinionated video and do not endorse this video.